world's busiest and most efficient airport is growing, and that's great news for passengers at Hartsfield Jackson Atlanta International Airport. And you see these big guys? That's how it's all going to happen. In one of the most ambitious and creative projects in the aviation industry, Concourse D is not just getting a $1.4 billion renovation, but it'll be almost double in size, adding more space for passengers and more shops, restaurants, and other amenities to make traveling a first-class experience.
We know that to keep up with demand and to be ready for the 21st century, we can't just sit comfortably with the infrastructure we inherited from the last century, and Concourse D is a good example.
And it's quite the undertaking, as prefabricated modular segments are built on nearby airport grounds and move slowly to the terminal. The project won't be completely finished until 2029, but Concourse D will remain open during the entire expansion.